Hello, this is Andy. Now let me introduce how to use this machine correctly. First, before we use this machine, we must pour enough water into this machine. We can pour the water from this hole and till the water out from this hole. That's enough. Then we can turn on the machine. Okay. Then press this button to enter into the screen. And now you see the voltage 800 volt and the frequency 5. And first we need simmer the light. Press this button. See, simmer. Okay. Then we work. Press this button. Okay, work. Okay. Then we can use the hand dips. Okay. This is the first switch. You can shoot a laser like this. Okay. That means it's okay. If all of this still don't work, let me know. I will check with our engineer and let you know the answer later. Thank you.